Hey, what's up? It's Vinny 10 from Vinny 10 Racing. We're here with our good friends from RZT Tuning, Roger and Tony. They do a great job with these Z32 cars. Obviously, right-hand drive car, Japanese spec. Is this the Fukushima Fast and Furious car right here? Do you need a Geiger counter to come up next to it to make sure it's not radiating? We don't know. But anyway, I was thinking about that anyway. But when they bring these cars over, who knows where they came from. But anyway, Polar Engineering did a great job supplying us supplying Roger with some top feed fuel rails and some coil kit, their R35 coil kit. Also, this car has a set of South Bay fuel injectors. But today's little video, I guess you could say, is about the Haltech. It is the best plug-and-play system out there. You plug it in. We use the 2500 Elite. Even if you're going to put a harness in here and just use the regular 2500 Elite, it is a great system. We're also on this, we're using the dual wideband setup. And with that, I'm going to let Steve just talk a little bit real quick about how he likes tuning the Haltech.
That's the most stable out there, and it's the most ingenuitive with the software itself. You can get through it. It doesn't. Everything makes sense, and it just makes it a pleasure. Plus, Rick over at Haltech always gives support if we have any questions, and he always gives us guidance. Also with Cole, I know I've been on the phone with them quite a bit in the past, but now I just do this, and it's everything runs flawlessly all the time. No issues ever. So why don't we get to making a poll? What do you think, Vinny?
I think so. Right, stock turbo, stock everything on this car, stock intercoolers, made 413, not a big number, but a nice number for a nice driving car, 412 torque. That's about as flat as you can go, only 17 pounds of boost. As always, a beautiful air-fuel ratio. Again, we love it because of the stability, the friendliness in the software, and the fact that it's got a wide range of working conditions. So if you have a 4-cylinder, a 6-cylinder, an 8-cylinder, it doesn't matter because Haltech is going to knock